Hi, in this video I'm going to show how to make a lead paid in and paid out project using Arduino starter kit. This project explains how to take analog output from Arduino. The output is taken on a lead that paid in and paid out. For making this project we need Arduino Uno on breadboard, which is fixed on Arduino base plate, battery holder with 6 AA battery and switch, lead bulb, 100 ohm resistor, 2 male-to-male jumper wire, USB A to B cable for Arduino Uno. Follow this diagram for connection. Next, connect Arduino and laptop or the system you are using with USB cable. And upload the code. Now let's see how it works. When you switch on the power supply, the lead starts paid in and paid out until you switch off the power supply. That's it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates.